On July 4th, 1776, America declared our independence. But what if today you actually declared yours? Not from a country, but from the paycheck to paycheck grind, the 9 to 5 trap, the fear of never having enough. This is your wake up call. Your freedom can start with real estate investing today. In this video, I'll show you how real estate can give you financial freedom, even if you're starting with little money, no experience, and a dream much bigger than your bank account. Let's talk about your independence plan. Happy 4th of July, everybody. My name is Randy Wolf, and welcome to this YouTube channel for new and aspiring real estate investors. Back in 1776, the founding fathers had had enough of the control, enough of the taxes, enough of living by someone else's rules. So they put pen to paper and they took their shot at freedom. And you know what? Most people today feel the exact same way. We're taxed like crazy, controlled by the jobs that we don't love. We're trapped in a system that teaches us to work hard only to end up retiring broke. But here's the good news. Just like America, you can break free. You just need the right plan and the courage to follow it. Let's be clear, financial independence isn't just about money. I know that when people think of that, they think money, but really it's about options. It's about waking up when you want. It's about working because you choose to, not because you have to. That is such a big thing. Spending time with your kids, traveling, giving to charities, creating. It's about controlling your life again. And for tons and tons of people out there, including me, the journey actually starts with real estate investing. So many people start a business, or there's so many entrepreneurs out there that started their journey that way, and real estate investing can be your ticket to get you that financial independence. So why real estate? Well, it's one of the only vehicles where you can build monthly cash flow, gain long-term appreciation, use leverage so that you can grow faster, and have other people, tenants, pay down your debt. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to be more resourceful. Start with wholesaling if you're broke. Fix houses, flip them, and grow your capital that way. Buy rentals if you want passive income. Use the BRRRR strategy to build a portfolio with the same money over and over again. There is a path for everyone, but you have to take that first step. I just did a video this week about all of the different strategies out there, but depending on what your circumstances are. Be sure to check that out, but you have a ton of options when it comes to investing in real estate. So on this fateful day in history, a group of bold visionaries signed a declaration that changed their future forever. So let me ask you this. What would your declaration of independence look like? I declare I will no longer live paycheck to paycheck. I declare I will build wealth for my family. I declare I will learn the skills, take the action, and own my future. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be willing. Willing to take a step most people just simply won't do, because most people will ultimately barbecue today and scroll through Instagram, and there's nothing wrong with that, but you are going to take action and you're going to build freedom. So if you're ready to start, here's exactly what I would do. First of all, I would pick a strategy that matches your time, your money, and your goals. Start learning, watch videos like this, read books, get around people who are doing it, join a community of other investors who are on the same path. I have a private community. If you really want to accelerate your real estate investing journey, check that out. I'll put the link in the description below. You can take action this week. This week, take action. Don't wait till next week. Don't wait till next month. Take action this week. Call a seller, analyze a deal, drive for dollars. Progress creates confidence, and confidence builds momentum, and momentum leads you to your breakthrough. This July 4th, don't just only celebrate America's independence, start building your own. Real estate changed my life, and it can absolutely change yours too. If you're serious about building passive income, building wealth, and breaking free from the grind, consider joining my private community. As I said earlier, I'll put the link below, and be sure you subscribe to this channel. We're putting out videos every single week to show you the real path to freedom. Now go enjoy this day and make a promise to yourself that you will not be in the same place next year. Let's build your freedom, and let's get started right now. As always, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.